Hi, my name is Carl Nelson with MarineMax in Jacksonville. I'm here to show you the 250 Sunliner Harris pontoon boat. You'll notice you have lots of seating in the front of the boat, storage underneath all these seats, ski locker in the floor. You have a side entry, forward entry, another side entry, and aft entry in the boat. So you have plenty of ways that you can get old people like myself into the boat and out of the boat. You have a changing locker here that comes up so you can change. Back here you have lots of seating next to the helm, so you can have all your guests in here under the shade. This boat has a 10-foot bimini top, so anytime you want to get out of the sun, you can, or you can fold it back and boot it up and travel with it. Back here in the back, I've got a lot of storage. Right now the boat cover is inside the storage area, but you can put coolers back here. You can put anything that you want back here. You have lots of seating. You've got a ski bar back in the back of the boat, so you can do tubing and skiing and so forth. This one has a powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard motor. And then you have your helm. Your helm is, you got all your controls right next to the helm. You got the stereo, you got all your controls. You can see your speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, and so forth. So you have lots of room. Nice boat. If you want to see this boat, call Carl Nelson, 904-442-0581, MarineMax Jacksonville.